How to use name tags in Minecraft. So first you will need of course your name tag and an anvil, and to create an anvil you simply need a crafting table and 3 blocks of iron and 4 iron ingots. So open up your crafting table and put the blocks of iron just like this and the iron ingot just like this, and you'll get your anvil. Now just place the anvil on the ground and right click on it, then put your name tag here on the first part right here. And now as you can see, we can now name our name tag. So I'm just gonna name it Chevy just like so, and it will cost you 1 enchantment. And you simply click on it right here on the right side. And now I have my name tag ready. So I'm just gonna, if you want to put it on an animal, just simply right click on that animal. So I have my cat right here, so right click on him. And now as you can see, they have our name tag on them. And that's how I basically use name tags in Minecraft.